Hello children, welcome to our online classes. This is Geeta ma'am. Today we are going to see Standard 6 English GSEB syllabus unit number 2. The title is Amazing Animals. The lessons are divided into activities. The unit starts with activity 1. Let us see the activity 1. This unit is about some of the amazing animals that share our world. The world consists of several animals. The world of animals is amazing. We share this world with animals. How much rights we have in this world, the similar rights animals also have. We should learn to coexist with animals. That is, we should learn to share this world with animals. Let us see the box given in the right side. What animal shape do you see? Here, two questions are given in the box. First question is, what animal shape do you see? Yes, the picture is butterfly. The second question is, what birds do you find in the shape? Yes, we can read red, fly, blue, flowers, color, antenna, pollen, free, black, yellow, insect, change, cocoon, butterfly, wings, red, caterpillar, flutter, flying, beautiful, pretty, free. All these words are related to butterfly. Students, such an art of making pictures with words or letters are called calligram. Calligram is text arranged in such a way that it forms a thematically related image. Let us move to activity 2. Battle in the Jungle Part 1. Yes, battle means fight between two groups. Where is this fight going on? It is in the jungle. Jungle means thick forest. Let us read the story now. Once upon a time, all the animals that walked on land and all the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel about who was the smartest and strongest. At first, they spoke softly. Then, slowly they became angrier and louder. The tigers growled and the wolves howled. The birds gave loud cries and cackles. The insects buzzed as loudly as they could. At last, an old parrot said, "Stop shouting. Let us not waste our time and energy in talk. Let us fight." The animals laughed at the bird's idea. "What?" said the lion. "Can you fight us? Don't be foolish. I can bite harder than any one of you." The elephant said, "I can lift a whole tree and fight you all at once." Yes, animal world can be classified into two: flying animals and non-flying animals. All the birds and flying insects are in one group. You may know parrot, crow, pigeon, etc. are bats. And honeybee, housefly, dragonfly, butterfly, ladybird are flying insects. Right? Tiger, lion, cow, dog, fox, elephant, etc. are non-flying animals. One day, they started quarreling with each other. First, they started speaking with each other in a soft and gentle way. Slowly, the disagreement became stronger. They started fighting with each other with loud noise. The tigers growled and the wolves howled, the birds cried and cackled, and the insect buzzed. Here, growled, howled, crackles, and buzzed. These are the sounds of tiger, wolves, birds, and insect, respectively. Right? At last, a old parrot gave an idea. And it said, let us stop shouting, but show this in action. We shall sort out our problem by fighting with each other. On hearing the idea of the parrot, all animals laughed at the birds. The lion said that the idea of parrot is foolish. Then the lion said that it can bite harder than all the birds. At the same time, elephant said it can uproot a whole tree and fight with the birds. Yes, now let us read the rest of the story. We will easily defeat you. Will you? Said the parrot. We will see about that. Get ready to fight us. The lion became the commander of the animals. The parrot became the commander of the birds. The lion called all the animals together and gave them a drill for practice. They marched for long hours. He gave them a lot of good food too. The poor birds did not have good food and they did not practice. Instead, they had a meeting with their friends, the insects. Yes, the elephant said that they will easily defeat the birds. But the parrot challenged the statement made by the elephant. It said, let us fight with each other and sort out the issue. The lion became the commander of the animals and the parrot became the commander of birds. Then the lion called all the animals at one place and started giving practice to them. It conducted several drills to the animals. They marched together across the forest for long time. The lion arranged a lot of healthy food for the animals. But the birds did not have healthy food and also did not practice. But they all met together with their friends, that is, insects. Dear students, here at the end of the part 1, hard word meanings are given that are related to the story. Now we can see the hard words. Quarrel means angry, disagreement. Mane means long hair from the necks of certain animals. Example, lion, horse. Then battle means fight between two groups. Sting means to hurt with a sudden sharp pain. For example, bite of honeybee, wasp, mosquito, etc. Then roar means to utter a loud, deep rumbling sound. Here utter means delivered. Next one, spy. Spy means to watch closely and secretly. Dear students, this activity 2 comes to an end here. The story part 2 is in activity number 4. We shall discuss this in another class. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone. Thank you.